City, wall of democracy. Haldar, Shanput, Gaya. Bihar, Assembly, election 2025. Bihar Assembly 2025 election. Wall of democracy. Haldar. Salute, brave father, brave Indian father, that got a son in midnight in a prison. Bravely, he took his son in a basket, escaped from the prison, and took his son. He brought up in Nandagram by compassionate Indian mother. And Lord Krishna grew up to the embodiment of love and politics of India. Platonic love of India and politics. So I am imbibing and enlivening Bihar politics of platonic love and politics. Watch a movie Prem Rog of Rishi Kapoor and read Hansa Taste. सजनी अमीर सजना गरीब सजनी अमीर सजना गरीब as Bunyar Rajput of Bihar are very rich compared to them Jadwas, Kori are very poor but they are household member of the Bunyar Rajputs and very friendly they are as in over India, all over India. And they fall in platonic love of, and as it happens, platonic love. And so they fail in life. So Jagdev Mahato of time had given a slogan in frustration that I would like to go to do the roping with the high caste and high caste like Lord Krishna, Lord Rama. They are born in prison but they have a spirit of high spirit. They hardly consider anyone in front of them and so they're always these low caste are always in frustration living in Bihar and also in India, all over India, they are frustration in love. Love is as even in, see, I am telling you, one jealous man was a rich man. Jealous boy was married to a rich DLF master, and girl, Rohtak was rich. And this DLF boy was from Delhi, poor, but married to and became very rich. So this so Sajni, Amir, Sajna Garib. And this platonic love and boldness of who was born in a prison. Lord Krishna was born in a prison. His brave father had saved him by putting him to be brought up in a safe place, safe mother, kept in compassion. He grew up. And he liberated people of India from dictators. Not only dictators, also he became meditator of the world war, of Mahabharata. Great meditator. He was the real meditator. Always meditated with the Kauravas and Pandavas. And that was the Lord Krishna. And so India is country of Lord Krishna, who is embodiment of love and politics. So Bihar politics have been long time like is going on and they are failure. Even so read Prem Rog of Rishi Kapoor and also Prem Rog of and film Taste. How much man, a boy working in the in a landlord's, high caste landlord's house. When she is being bit by after marriage, the poor man really feels so hurt and give gift of love. So there is always love between, and I have also fallen many times in love. Every adolescent, everyone fell in love, and always their flowers are rejected by anyone. So mostly these frustrated love, adolescent love of Bihar and adolescent of India, they are frustrated later on. So watch the movie Prem Ro and so that politics, there is no jihad loves that politics, but is the politics of power game. Between politics is a game of power. So I wish that for a long time Lalu Yadav has ruled in Bihar, and so this time Bhumihar Rajput to be made Chief Minister of Bihar to make Bihar prosperous and happy.